Welcome back to my channel. So this is a continuation from my previous wash and deep conditioning routine video. So if you haven't already seen it yet, then definitely check it out before watching this one. So let's get straight into step one. So I left the t-shirt on my hair for about 15 to 30 minutes, only because I got caught up doing other things. So my hair is no longer wet, but more on the damp side. So as usual, I'm going to tackle my hair in sections and use some hair bands just to keep the rest of my hair out of the way. And then I'm going to lightly spritz my hair with water just to make it slightly more wet. Next, I'm going to take down all of the twists in that section and get ready to do a light detangle. So I always do a quick finger detangle check just to remove any sections of hair that may still be tangled and need a bit of separating. Now to apply the Aunt Jackie's Instant Detangling Therapy, which I use for moisture, and I always like to apply a generous amount to my hair, including the ends, can't forget the ends, so that my entire strands are covered and that it feels soft and smooth. And then once that's done, I'm going to twist up that section of hair and move on to the next one, repeating the exact same process again. And then once my hair's all been moisturised, I take down all the twists ready to style my hair. Now I'm sorry for the tired looking face, guys. It was about 2 AM in the morning and I was so tired. But hey, that's YouTube life. So I'm using one on my face, which is the As I Am smoothing gel, and I'm just going to create a really basic high puff. Normally after moisturising, I would have just twisted my hair back up again for bed, but for the sake of the video, I wanted to show you what I would do if it was daytime or if I was going out anywhere. I mean, not like anyone's really going anywhere with what's going on in the world right now, but you get the picture. So once I've created my puff, I would just go about my business and let my hair naturally air dry. In terms of how long my hair takes to dry, I'm not 100% sure because I've not really timed it. I do know though that the middle sections of my hair take the longest, but for me, once my hair dries, it dries. As I previously mentioned, this is just a really basic puff. If you want to see how I slick my edges and get my curls to pop, then definitely check out my high puff tutorial on how to get my edges sleek. So that completes my full routine. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see on my channel too. Thanks so much for watching and stay safe and well out there. Bye.